Just welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add Amazon affiliate links to your Facebook page. This is a great way to monetize your social media presence by sharing products you recommend and earning commissions when your followers make purchases. Let's get started. First, head over to Amazon.com and make sure you're signed into your Amazon affiliate account. This is crucial because you need to be logged in to access the affiliate tools that will generate your unique tracking links. Without being signed in, you won't be able to create the affiliate links that earn you commissions. Once you're logged in, use the search bar to find the product you want to promote. Take your time here to select a product that resonates with your audience and aligns with your page's content. The more relevant the product, the higher your chances of earning commissions. Now look at the top of the page where you'll see the Amazon Site Stripe toolbar. This toolbar is your key to generating affiliate links quickly. Click on Get Link and then select text from the options. This will generate your unique affiliate link for the product you've chosen. The text link is clean and professional, making it perfect for social media sharing. Next, copy the link that appears in the text field below. Make sure you copy the entire link to ensure it tracks properly. This link is what connects any purchases back to your affiliate account. Now it's time to head over to your Facebook page. Once you're there, click on What's on Your Mind to start creating a new post. This opens up the Post Composer where you'll build your promotional content. In the text box, add a compelling description of the product, explain why you're recommending it, what makes it special, or how it can benefit your followers. After your description, paste the Amazon affiliate link directly into the post text box. The link will appear in your post and followers can click it to visit the product page. To make your post more engaging and increase click-through rates, add a product image. Visual content performs significantly better on Facebook, so including an eye-catching image of the product can dramatically improve your results. Before publishing, click Next and verify that your post audience is set to public. This ensures maximum visibility for your affiliate post. Once you've confirmed the settings, click Post to publish the affiliate link on your Facebook page timeline. One important note, always ensure your posts comply with both Amazon's and Facebook's guidelines for affiliate marketing. Avoid using paid ads that directly link to affiliate URLs, as this is prohibited by both platforms and could result in your accounts being suspended. And that's it. You've successfully added an Amazon affiliate link to your Facebook page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.